Hello everyone, I'm Jen from the Clayton Candle Company. If you're new here, I make tutorials all about how to make candles in your own kitchen. So today I wanted to show you how to make wax melt tarts. So what we're gonna be doing is we are gonna be using Golden Wax 494. We're gonna be using a candle pitcher, a shipping scale, a candle thermometer, also known as a candy thermometer. We will be using the 6 clamshells. These are the standard size. And we also will be using green tea and lemongrass fragrance oil from Candle Science. So what we're gonna start with first is we're going to weigh out our wax. So because we're using 1 ounce of fragrance oil, we're gonna be using 1 pound of wax. So the conversion is for every 1 pound, it's 1 ounce of fragrance oil. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on our scale. We're gonna put our pitcher on the scale and then we are going to tare it. Once that says 0, it is now time to put the wax in. So the reason we use a shipping scale is because it does show me the conversion in pounds. It's been a little bit since I've made a tutorial, so I'm a little rusty. So bear with me. All right. There's probably an easier way to do this. I just haven't found it yet. Ooh, I'm making a mess. So when I used to make these, when I had my candle business, at that time I could get anywhere from $3 to $4 each for these. And with prices going up the way they have, I'm sure you could probably get about $5. And it's a great upsell on the website right after someone checks out, or is about to check out, sorry. Just to have this pop up, would you like to add this to your order? It's a great, oh, there we go. I would sell quite a few of these actually, just because it's cheap and they just pop it right into the cart. All right. Once that says 1 pound, what I do is I take the thermometer and I attach it to the side. And now we're gonna come over to the stove and we're going to heat up the wax. So I'm using a double boiler system. So I attach the pitcher to the side of the pot, sorry. And I have water in here and I'm gonna turn it up to high. That's gonna start boiling and it's going to start melting down the wax. We are going to get the wax temperature up to 185, and at that point is when we will add the fragrance oil. So right now we're just going to wait for the wax to boil down. All right, so now we're gonna check. So sometimes with 1 pound, the thermometer might not actually reach it. So what I normally do is just take it and have it sit in the middle for a little bit. Make sure it doesn't touch the bottom because then you're not getting an accurate reading. I believe we're probably, yep. All right, so we are sitting at 185. So I'm gonna put this back on here. I'm gonna turn this off. And then at 185, we can now add the fragrance oil. So like I said, this is a 1 ounce bottle. So I'm just going to add the fragrance oil like so. And then I use just a chopstick to swish it around, make sure the fragrance oil gets evenly distributed throughout the wax. Obviously, that is a really annoying sound. And then what I'm going to do is pull this out of the water and sit this on top of the stove and then push this back. All right, in the meantime, we can set up our clamshells. I'm gonna set up anywhere from 6 to 7. Depends how high I pour them. Sometimes kind of sticking together here. All right. I'm gonna set up 7. Oh. All right, so then what we want to do is we are waiting until this gets down to 165 and then we're pouring at 165. Keep in mind, this type of wax actually solidifies pretty fast. Yep. And we are already ready to pour. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pour up until, I like to make it as flat as possible. So I hold the top of it so that it's a little bit easier. And then what I do is I kind of pour in the middle and then it kind of just evenly distributes. Smells amazing. It's already starting to solidify. It's already getting that hazy color. And then these will, oh, looks like I'm just getting 6. That's okay, because this I can use as a test. All right, so it's looking like I'm gonna get 6.5. So these will dry white unless you are looking for color, in which case you could then put a couple of drops of food coloring in there. So these actually will not take very long to solidify. I do let them sit for at least 24 hours before I shut the clamshells. So on top of the clamshells, let me show you this. So on top of the clamshells, if you were to like sell these, it does have a little triangle where you could sit these on a shelf. And then I also use stickers from Online Labels, and I can link down below in the description the sizes for those. And then I just put them on top and then they're all good to go. I really hope that that tutorial helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos for candles. And also, if you are looking to start a candle business from your kitchen, or if you want to add these to your candle business, this makes a great upsell. I've sold plenty of these, and they're super, super easy. They're already starting to solidify. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. Once again, I hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Hey, are you interested in starting your own candle business and you want to make candles from your kitchen? Check out this video right here. And if you would love more tutorials on how to make candles from your kitchen, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.